Hey guys, welcome back. We are out here on this partly sunny, cloudy day, looking at the red Silverado, writing down a few things that we need to start ordering so we can start working on this rebuild. He's got the pen and paper down there, and we are getting ready to go over the truck and see what all we need to order to start getting some replacements. Stay tuned. All right, he's made his list out, and where are you looking to start?
That's a pretty long list, wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, just for the outside. So you're looking to start, we're going to start on the front of the truck?
Yeah, I want to order all this new stuff for the grill, which this piece is separate from these. This is separate. LED lights, so all this will be new emblem there. And this piece down here, that's just kind of to fill it up so it don't look so far off the ground.
Right.
Then I'm gonna order new this here fender molding.
What about this?
Yeah, we're gonna replace those two, both sides. We'll put LED lights in there also. We're gonna try to do all LED everywhere we can. Gotta order these. Have to take the fenders off to take these off, unless there's another way to do it. I ain't figured it out. New mirrors, cause go down the road and they won't stay put. New door handles, new locks. Not sure about this yet. This back here, this was originally chrome. You can order this piece. These pop off. This piece comes out all the way around. You just put the new chrome in there because the gasket's actually still good. The window's still good too. We're gonna replace the cargo light. You can get LED for that. I'm looking for some original rails that they put on these trucks back in the early 80s. I've located some of them and I'm gonna try to get some, so it'll have the original looking rails on the truck.
What about that molding? Didn't there used to be molding down the side?
Yep. This is what it looks like. It looks like that and then runs all the way down the side of the truck right there. It goes right through here, and stops right here. But it lines up with the turn signals here.
Okay.
You know, it'll make the truck look better from the side view, I think.
What about the tailgate and the back bumper? And
we got another tailgate right here. It's kind of rough, but it's better than this one. We're gonna have it painted to match. We got this piece right here. We got one of these that's in really good shape. We're gonna order a new one of these to put on it. So we're gonna have basically a brand new tailgate. We're gonna put new tail lights in, LED.
All right, have you, what have you done? What have we, tell them what we've done to the truck so far.
Well, we've had the motor rebuilt. They bored it out, put a mild cam in it, put new dual exhaust on it. That's pretty much it so far. Everything on the motor's new. It's got a new AC system put in the truck, new radiator, new air conditioner, condenser. Everything under the hood's all brand new.
We pretty much going to start with the front of the truck, and I guess he's going to work his way back. He's also going to replace this hood. He has another hood with the factory hood on it. The hood looks okay just looking at it like this, but if you were really here in person, you could see it. The hood's beat all to pieces and needs to be replaced. So he's also going to replace the hood on it. So he's also going to take the bed off, repaint the frame.
Yep.
Put a new gas tank on. You looking at lowering the truck at all?
Yeah, we're gonna lower it. I'm not sure exactly how much yet. This truck's got dual tanks on it. It's got a little switch up under the bed back there. It's hard to get to. It's got the electrical switches inside the cab, and you can switch from one tank to the other going down the road. Well, that switch is bad. This tank doesn't work. It's got old gas in it. So the tank might be good. We might not have to change it.
Guys, we're pretty much going to have two projects going. We're going to be working on our shop back here, and we're going to start doing the mods on this 1986 Chevrolet Silverado. So stay tuned for more videos. This is just a little quick update to let you know what we're getting ready to start on. Like always, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.